I'm a big fan of science. I love science, and if you're a young person and you're thinking about becoming a scientist, I can give you this 3 advice tips. First is follow your heart. You can't predict or calculate everything. There are too many parameters in life, and sometimes it's best to do what your feeling tells you to do. Second, this is very important. Scientists will have many failures, but this is a part of the job because you are exploring unknown territory. It's normal that most of your experiments will not work, and you should not get frustrated over this. Third is, of course, never give up. Try again and again. Try to modify your concepts and try again. And I can give you an example. Last 2 of my 7 years at the university, I was working on my PhD, but I had a 1.5 year series of failed experiments. And this little modification, replacing sodium, in Germany called natrium, with lithium, gave me my PhD because I was able to make over 20 new compounds within 4 months. And this little change made all the difference to me. My favorite science website is science.news. You can check it out if you're interested. I will also post material in the description field and of this video if you're interested in more about LK99. And that was today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.